June 28. Balik ko na yung mga yan. Okay, ayos, malaki. 68 pounds, 65 pounds. June 28, 2025. Sa ating delivery.
Stop sign. Turn right onto Whittier Lane. Then take the first right. Turn right onto Whittier Lane.
Mayayaman, mga mayayaman dito.
In 600 feet, turn right onto Redlands Lane.
Okay.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Redlands Lane. Then take the first right onto Edgemont Drive. Onto Redlands Lane. Then turn right onto Edgemont Drive.
Redlands. Okay, ano dito? Huntington Beach. Lapit na, 1 minute.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Okay, 6572. Dito na tayo. 6572. 657. Lechon delivery. Lechon. Lechon. Kuya. Dito. Okay. Ayan na. Ang ating lechon. I-atras natin. Okay, nakarating na tayo sa ating destinasyon ng lechon. Whoop. Ha? Like this big.
Let me see.
Kumusta? Yan. Big one. 65.
Okay, you know what? Let me go turn around. I'll back up my car this way. We just shove them this way. More easier.
I can lift it up.
You sure?
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, just open it. Yeah. Yeah. Mahirapan siya. Just by myself.
You cook by yourself?
Yeah. I wake up like 5 in the morning.
Oh man.
Hard work.
I know, huh, buddy?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I used to cook when I was young. You know,
Really?
when I was in Hawaii.
Ah?
Let me know if you. Ilocano.
Ilocano pa.
Sikabit.
La Union na.
Ay, sus.
Dino ka no, dino ka.
Lawag.
La Union.
Oh, we went.
And look at.
Oh, ono. Good. Ono. Hawaiian said ono.
No need for sauce.
Yeah. No need. Yeah. No need.
Sa babayan ha.
Yeah. You like water?
Oh yeah, please.
Yeah.
No tequila, okay? Only.
I got beer if you like.
Do you have juice? There, like orange juice?
Orange juice.
Sugar.
This is tea.
My sugar is getting low. Hindi man, clean garage, kuya.
Huh?
Malinis.
Yeah. I try to.
So-
My daughter.
Oh, yeah?
My granddaughter graduating.
Oh, nice. So enjoy my lechon. So ito yung ating lechon, no? Ayos pa. So nakukuha ko na yung technique para hindi siya malutong, hindi siya mawawala yung lutong na. Basta diretso lang na walang bukas-bukas. Pag bukas ka kasi ng bukas sa oven, magiging hindi yung crispy. Oh, humingi na ako ng juice para hindi tayo maanuhan. Linis ang garage ni kuya. Ilocano din, from Lawag. So look at that, our lechon. Lechon. See, very clean. Malinis na malinis. Pati box, maayos. Yan, crispy pa rin. Diba? Malinis siya. So, dito tayo sa Huntington Beach kay kuya. So, ito yung magagandang lugar din. Huntington Beach. Okay. Ang Ilocano. Right. Yung aking yung aking foil. Pero yung box ko very ayos na ayos. Diba? I used to cook a lot, but
Yeah.
no more. I just
But you put them in the oven, eh? No?
just oven. See?
Oh, yeah.
You got a lot of bruise.
Oh, yeah. Here. He said 475, but
Yes, sir.
I give you 40.
Wow.
Yeah, you work
See,
hard,
may
man.
discount kami si Kuya Ilocano.
Yeah. You good here.
Thank you, sir.
1, 2.
Kala nila kuripot ang Ilocano, hindi.
Okay. Yeah.
Ilocano.
1, 2, 3. Here, count.
No, okay,
No,
okay.
you count. 400.
Well, 2, 3, 4, yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me go get 4,
Yan,
50, 60, 70, right?
yan si Kuya.
Okay, let me go get.
Man, very generous.
Yeah, well, you know.
Yan si
Work hard. I.
yeah, thank you. So yan, nagbibigay pa siya ng tip. Yan, tayo natin si Kuya. So may enjoy niyan kasi ano yan eh. Hindi ko binubuksan yung oven for like 2 hours. 2 hours ko nang hindi ko binubuksan, tapos nagbukas lang ako after 2 hours. Tapos siguro mga 2.
You did good job.
Oh, thank you.
Naangot.
Nangot, nabanglo haan. No, it's not. Nabanglo.
Wait, a bungalow. Here. Okay.
Alright, thank you,
So,
Kuya.
I cut them.
Yay! Thank you, Kuya.
So, okay, I cut
Right.
them this way, right?
What you do first is cut it
How
the
much?
skin like a
Yeah, yeah.
square,
And
then
then,
pull it out like this.
yeah, and then cut the meat.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
I get them.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Ingat, ingat ka.
Salamat.
What time is the party?
5 o'clock. I go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, that's it. Bye bye.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Golden West Street.
Bigay ni ano, Hawaiian Island Iced Tea. Yes. Bigay ni Manong taga Hawaii. Ilocano, Tagalawag. Pero galing silang Hawaii. Yan, bigay niya Hawaiian Iced Tea. Yeah. Let's go.